Today I'm going to show you how to make this super cute Beanie Baby tag for your pet. This is a great project just for fun or if you need a quick idea for Halloween. It works up in about an hour, maybe 2, and you can make any size that you need to. Here are the materials that you'll need, and if you wanted to make a smaller one, you can just size down on your hook and your yarn. You can come back here if you want to see the graph, or you can find it on the free pattern for this on my website. Start in red with a chain 2, and then turn. Turning chains do not count as stitches. R equals red and W equals white, and you'll be working the entire piece in half double crochet. Row 1, increase into the first chain, leaving you with 2 half double crochets. Chain 1 and then turn. Row 2, increase across, leaving you with 4 half double crochets. Chain 1 and then turn. Row 3, in red, make 1 increase. In white, make 2 half double crochets. In red, increase again, leaving you with 6 half double crochets across. Chain 1 and then turn. For row 4, in red, increase, and then work 2 half double crochets. In white, work 1 half double crochet. In red, work 1 half double crochet and then increase, leaving you with 8 half double crochet across. Chain 1 and then turn. Row 5, in red, make an increase. In white, work 2 half double crochet. In red, work 2 half double crochet. In white, work 2 half double crochet. and then in red, work an increase, leaving you with 10 half double crochet across. Chain 1 and then turn. For row 6, in red, work an increase, in white, work 1 half double crochet, one red half double crochet, one white half double crochet, one red half double crochet, one white half double crochet, one red half double crochet, one white half double crochet, one red half double crochet, and then in red, make an increase, leaving you with 12 half double crochet across. Chain 1 and then turn. On row 7, work 1 red increase, and then 1 red half double crochet, one white half double crochet, two red half double crochet, one white half double crochet, three red half double crochet, one white half double crochet, one red half double crochet, and then an increase in red, leaving you with 14 half double crochet across. Chain 1 and then turn. On row 8, work 1 red half double crochet, 4 white half double crochet, nine red half double crochets. That leaves you with 14 half double crochets across, chain 1 and then turn. Now to make the bumps, you're going to do row 9A, and that's going to be 6 red half double crochets, which is a total of 6 across, and then you will chain 1 and turn. For row 10A, in red, you will decrease, work 2 half double crochets, and then another decrease, and that will leave you with 4 half double crochet across. You can fasten off and orient your piece back to where the front is facing you. Pull up a loop in red in the 6th stitch from the left, and you'll be working into that same stitch. So for row 9B, you will work in red 2 half double crochets, and then in white you will work 1 half double crochet, and then in red you will work 3 half double crochets, which leaves you with a total of 6 across, and then you will chain 1 and turn. For row 10B, you will work in red a decrease, 2 half double crochets, and then another decrease, leaving you with 4 half double crochet across. You can now fasten off and tie or weave in the ends. They will be tucked inside, so I did not bother to weave them in. You'll want to make another identical or plain heart and hold them back to back to attach them. Pull up a loop in yellow at the notch in the top of the hearts, and you'll work a slip stitch to connect every stitch and the side of every row around. When you get back to the top, slip stitch to close, and then you'll want to chain enough to loop around your pet's collar, which is about 20 to 30 chains. I think I did about 20 or 25 here. Or you can work twice the circumference of their neck to loop it around without a collar. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial, and please tag me in your posts so I can see your creations and your cute pets.